Kerala and Himachal. Kerala is located in the southernmost part of India. Himachal is located in the northernmost part of India. Percentage of coconut tree in Kerala. Kerala produces 45% of India's total production. Percentage of apple tree in Himachal. Himachal produces 40% of India's total production.
Main vegetation in Kerala. Today, Kerala produces roughly 45% of India's coconuts, with some 92% of total production lying in the southern Indian states and Kerala's neighbors. Coastal regions have sandy soil, which is the best for coconut trees, which result in the higher yield of the produce. Coconut is a staple ingredient in many Kerala dishes, and coconut oil is widely consumed and used to make drinks such as coconut toddy. Main vegetation of Himachal Pradesh. Fruit cultivation provided to be an economic boon to the state. There are huge tracts of land suitable only for growing fruits. Fruit of all cultivation does not add to the problem of soil erosion, and its employment potential is more than the conventional farming. The yield per acre in terms of income is also much higher. Apple produces the maximum income.
Coconut and coconut leaf. Coconut shape. Major fruit ovoid or ellipsoid in shape, 300 to 450 mm in length and 150 to 200 mm in diameter. Have a thick fibrous husk surrounding the familiar single-seeded nut of comens. Coconut leaf shape. Coconut tree has 13 to 20 inches long pinnate leaves. Leaflets have lanceolate shape that can reach 24 to 35 inches in length. Coconut tree is attached to the ground via strong fibrous root system. Why coconut trees are tilted towards the sea? Coconut tree lean toward the sea primarily to better propagate. Coconuts are structured to float long distance, therefore, leaning toward the sea can enable the coconuts that fall to grow on distant islands with less competition. While some people may suggest that coconut trees bend toward the sea in order to chop their seeds into the water.
Shape of coconut leaf. Leaflets have lanceolate shape. Coconut tree has 13 to 20 inches long pinnate leaves. They can reach 24 to 35 inches in length. Coconut tree is attached to the ground via strong fibrous root system. Lanceolate is shaped like a lion's head, tapering to a point at the apex and sometimes at the base. The coconut tree has no branches, only leaves, which are far away on the top of the tree and are used by people in various things. On fertile soil, a tall coconut palm tree can yield up to 75 fruits per year, but more often yields less than 30.
Main vegetation of Himachal Pradesh. Apple is the national fruit of Himachal Pradesh, which is found almost everywhere in the state. It is one of the favorite fruits of the people who are living there. Almost 90 to 95% of the Himachalis eat this fruit every day. As we know, one apple a day keeps the doctor away. Usually, the shape of an apple is oblong. When viewing an apple from the side, apples are typically either roundish, oblate, or oblong shapes. In addition to these three shapes, apples can also taper towards the bottom, which is categorized as conical. Some apples have segmented forms or lobes protruding from the sides.
An apple is therefore round because it wants to capture as much light as possible. Pear trees do not have an umbrella shape but have a shape that can be situated between that of an apple tree and that of a pine tree. The fruits have taken the same form as the trees because the fruits also capture more sun in this way. When viewing an apple from the side, apples are typically either roundish, oblate, or oblong shapes. In addition to these three shapes, apples can also taper towards the bottom, which is categorized as conical. Some apples have segmented forms or lobes protruding from the sides. An apple is a round fruit with red or green skin and a whitish inside. One variety of apple might be sweet, another sour.